They have that saying in poker, know when to fold them. If you didn't know, I'm currently controlling over 250 units spread out over 15 buildings, and I'm gonna sell them all. I was able to acquire all the properties over the last few years with my partners and I, but when you're too focused on one thing, you lose sight of other things. First of all, my residential realtor career has suffered because I've been too busy acquiring more large multifamily buildings, building my net worth. Although my portfolio with even just a conservative appreciation rate of 3% annually will likely make me close to $1 million passively in the future with cash flow and principal paydown, it's just not for me anymore. Acquiring all these large buildings, multifamily buildings, has also led to extremely high commissions for me, but I just get no joy anymore from making all that money from my computer. I want to get back out there and I want to do open houses where half the battle is getting strangers to talk to you. Now, that's the real fun of being a real estate agent. I've got some great ideas and I'm thinking bringing some pretty cool cookies that I know pretty good recipes. I think that should really spice things up and sell properties in the future. I'll probably stop showcasing real estate on my Instagram because that's just kind of dead as well too, and it really doesn't work anymore. What people want, they don't want digital signatures. They want me in their homes at midnight countering a $1,000 deal back and forth with buyers and sellers. Now that is real estate. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll know that we've just had another baby. So welcome to the world, baby Margot. Shannon, Sadie, Max, and I love you. And I think by selling all these properties, I can spend even more time with my family. Even though I have property managers that handle all my day-to-day issues with the tenants and full-time construction crews doing all that, I'm just gonna give it all up. The family like it when I'd be running out the door when some stranger would call for a $200,000 duplex when the stranger was only in town for 30 minutes. Those cold steaks that I'd come home to were delicious, and even though the person never called me back, it was okay, but it's kind of weird. But that's the realtor life. Be at the beck and call of your clients. The portfolio is close to probably $45 million in market value, but likely will just sell for less to get it off our plate. I'm not looking to make money from all the hard work I've been putting in over the past few years. I just want to get peace of mind on this whole thing. I'm not sure what my partners will do, but I think they don't even want to get into real estate and do anything in real estate anymore. They're younger, they probably just want to start a family, and it's just such challenges every month trying to get financing on the next deal, and it's just stressing them out. I'm not sure what they're going to do in the future, but I think something in sanitation, it's always been their passion, so we'll see what they get up to. With the markets about to crash, tenants will probably stop paying rent. So I'll have 250 units and it'll be impossible to cover all the costs. I figure if I get out now, I'll be able to, go back at least to making $60,000 to $100,000 as a realtor, and it should be a pretty good life. I'll probably pick up some lease listings because if you do a lease every single day, that money can really add up and it's pretty easy to lease a property. If you're watching this and you know anyone that would like a $45 million property, I could sell it for about like 33% less just to entice a buyer so make sure to reach out. And when you do reach out, I just want you to say one thing. April Fools.
I'm not leaving.
I'm going nowhere.
I'm not fucking leaving!
Sorry guys, I had to do it again. I did it last year and you can see the video here where I said I was quitting being a realtor last year and you guys all kind of got strung along to that. I said I was going back into the army. But in fact, I'm actually closing on 12 more units this month. So if you are following me on Instagram at Jeff Wybo, you will see that. So we're not only not quitting, we're adding more properties. Guys, multifamily investing and buying these properties below market value and forcing appreciation by renovating and demanding higher rents has been a game changer for me. And if you are subscribed on this channel, I know you've seen some of my last videos all about the large multifamily. This is the way to do it, and I would not change a thing about it. I get to play with my kids all day, and then in the evenings I get to research deals. I couldn't have dreamt of this being my lifestyle when I spent 445 days in Afghanistan many years ago. I knew I wanted to get home after the war and do some sort of business and be a businessman, but I never thought I'd be sharing my journey with you guys here today on YouTube. My business partners and I are fine, and we plan to push forward, and we're gonna be trying to do $2 million each in profit this year. We employ many employees who count on us for paychecks, from managers to contractors to rental agents. These are aggressive goals, but that's what I like. I like to push myself. I'm relentless at follow-up, and I get my deals accepted. From the bottom of my heart, guys, I really appreciate all you subscribers, and thank you again for watching, and sorry for the April Fool's joke. Blame Graham Stephan, the YouTuber. He probably has a video coming out today, and don't be fooled, it'll probably be an April Fool's video that he has where he's selling everything as well too. It's just what the YouTubers seem to do. So sorry about that. If you didn't get to the end of this video and you think I'm selling, I expect a letter of intent that you want to buy all my properties and you're drafting that right now. But we're not selling because immigration is going to go through the roof and rent will continue to rise, and there's no crash in sight for multifamily. It just keeps chugging along. People need a place to live, especially where I live in Southwestern Ontario and where I invest. With saying all that, if you haven't already, make sure you gently hit the like button on this video and consider subscribing. I also have affiliate links for free stocks with Wealth Simple and free crypto when you sign up with ShakePay, and check out my other videos on the channel. Bye.